Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. When you go to your SNS topic, here you will get this data protection policy. Now, what is data protection policy, how it works, why we need to use it, and there are two modes of the data protection policy, basic and advanced. What are the differences between these two modes? We are going to talk about everything in this video. So, let's start. First of all, you will get this option while you are creating this topic, or you can edit it after that as well. So if you want to edit, you can go to the edit, and here you will get this data protection policy. And look at this, here we have basic and advanced. Now let's understand this using this mind map. Data protection policy in SNS helps detect and control sensitive information inside messages. It can identify sensitive data pattern. Look, we have simple process. Publisher is going to send message to the topic. Topic is going to broadcast this message to all the subscribers. Now, if publisher is sending wrong message or the message which is not acceptable according to the company policy, SNS data protection policy can identify this message and it can also block this message. Okay. Now, it can identify sensitive data patterns, log the activity, block the message containing confidential data. It adds extra security layer before message distribution. Now, we are not going to perform lab of this. So what I am doing, I am going to provide you one simple example so you can get idea about it. You have healthcare system sending appointment updates. Message should contain appointment ID, date, and doctor name. Means what is our requirement? When SNS is going to get this message, it must contain appointment ID, date, and doctor name, right? Now, if we are going to get something like this, the data should not contain patient's medical history and sensitive health data. To apply data protection policy to ensure if sensitive health information is included, SNS block the message. This helps you to meet the compliance requirement. So if in the message we are getting kind of patient medical history or sensitive health data, SNS is going to block this. Now question is how we can do this. So here they provided two options, basic one, and if you want to go for the advanced, here we can use JSON policy. Okay. So let's understand the differences. I'm going to start with basic mode. A simple form-based configuration lets you to quickly select sensitive data type like email, phone number, etc. and actions. Good for common scenario without writing JSON. Simple to use, but it is predefined. Now, if you want to go with the advanced mode.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.